Welcome back to Wig Studio One. Today I'm going to be sharing this gorgeous wig by Jon Renau. This beautiful wig that you see here is called Alessandra. And this gorgeous light brunette color is called Root Beer Float, and the code for that is 1230BT. Now I was quite excited about this color because I hadn't seen it in person, and it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So let's talk about Root Beer Float, and then we will move on to this gorgeous, gorgeous wig. Root Beer Float, also known as 1230BT, is your light gold brown. And then you also have a medium red gold blend. I love that red gold in there. And then you have medium red gold tips. I just love that. In some lighting and in some photos, this shade almost looked a bit ashy, but it's actually quite warm because you have those medium red gold tips, and then of course you have your light gold brown and your medium red gold blend. So all in all, this is a very golden, beautiful color. So Alessandra is a bestseller. She is beautiful. I love this style. She's very sleek. You have face framing layers, somewhat of a longer kind of side swept bang. It frames the face beautifully, and you kind of have a little bit of flippy ends, but it's pretty much straight and sleek, but it lays not bone straight. You still have kind of movement on those ends. It's very flattering. It's kind of choppy looking and really, really natural looking in my opinion. This is kind of your classic long layered choppy style, but it definitely has a chic appearance, and it's just such a beautiful, beautiful style. Let me actually give you guys a full spin of this pretty wig. So pretty. This has a smart lace front, so you have the option for off the face styling, multi-directional parting, and then you also have a single monofilament top, so that continues the ability for multi-directional parting and loads of styling ability. This is an average size cap, and this is your synthetic fiber. Okay, let's take off this cap and show you guys the inside. So this wig is part of Jon Renau's Smart Lace collection. Take a look at this beautiful Root Beer Float up close. So pretty. You have your smart lace, welded lace front that mimics a natural hairline, and each and every one of these little hairs is individually hand tied one by one. You have a single monofilament top, and those hairs are also individually hand tied one by one. And like I said, that allows for multi-directional parting and the appearance of natural hair growth. And then the rest of the cap is open wefted. This is machine wefted, and this is great for ventilation. It keeps the scalp nice and cool. You have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape, and that allows for smooth customization with the bendable wire. You also have the adjustable tabs at the nape, and that allows the wearer to adjust the circumference of this wig to help it fit your head more true to size. All right, you guys, now let's talk about permatease. See this section right here underneath this cap construction? It's right behind the monofilament. There's just a small little material section right here. Right under that, you have just the tiniest itsy bitsy amount of permatease that you literally have to dig for to find. I'll dig for it to show you. Can you see that? That's permatease. Now this style is so sleek and smooth that I feel that with that lift at the crown, it definitely gives this beautiful style some volume and lift that I think is beautiful. It doesn't look fake, it looks great, and you have that gorgeous monofilament area that is quite large right in front of that for multi-directional parting, and so it looks great. But for those who are a little bit leery of permatease, right in that very, very far section, there's just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm going to put this back on, and we'll talk about the lengths and the weight of this gorgeous wig. The bang on Alessandra is 8.5 inches. The crown is 13.75 inches. Your nape is also 13.75 inches. Your sides are 10.5 inches. And the total weight for Alessandra is 5.3 ounces. This actually feels quite light and comfortable. The density feels very natural. The fibers feel soft. All in all, this wig feels soft and natural. Really, it has a natural feeling style. This would be a great wig for pulling up, twisting into a sleek updo. You could have a side swept bang. You could definitely pull it off and away from the face with a twist. Fun braids. So much ability with these beautiful sleek styles, but of course they look wonderful as is straight out of the box. What do you guys think of Alessandra by Jon Renau in Root Beer Float? This is definitely becoming one of my favorite wigs. You guys can actually find this wig over at www.wigstudio1.com. Make sure you follow Wig Studio One on their Instagram and their Facebook page. If you'd like to, they do have a private Facebook group. I'll have all those links down below. Oftentimes they share their Jon Renau sales, which are weekly almost. You often can get 30% off your Jon Renau products and pieces and wigs. So by following their Facebook page and their Instagram and even that private Facebook group, you will be notified of any special sales or deals that they are having. So my name is Amber. You guys can follow me over at Fabricating Fringe on Instagram and on YouTube. Those links will be down below. You guys, thanks so much for watching. What do you guys think of this beautiful, beautiful wig? I think it's so cute. I'm kind of smitten. Oh, I love it. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!